Welcome back to the Nerfers. This is going to be a really quick video, that's why I'm talking really fast. So, I'm going to try and make this at least 30 seconds. This is going to be a firing test of the Nerf Secret Strike. Pumped up 100 times. So, yeah.
100 times? Are you kidding me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Intermission. Get my texture pack on Planet Minecraft.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50. Now, I'm going to go a bit over because I might have lost some air. So maybe this is about 150.
150 times? Are you kidding?
I'm still going. And ready, set.
Oh my god.
Wow. That was pretty good.
Yes, that was very good.
Peace.